Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Valadwiris Kumara from Sarjana Wiyata, Taman Siswa University. Here I will present the result of my research entitled Use of Pancasila Monopoly as a Media to Increase Participation of Elementary School Students in Learning Pancasila Education. First is background. Pancasila education has an important role in shaping the character and identity of the Indonesian nation. However, currently learning Pancasila education in elementary schools often experience obstacles, one of which is the lack of student participation and activeness. Low participation in learning Pancasila education also occurs in class 5 of SDN Condong Catur. Many students feel bored and less interest in the material present, which has an important on their low understanding of the material present. Research by Anwar show that monotonous learning methods can reduce student motivation to learn. Student active participation in learning is one of the key factors that influence the success of the teaching and learning process. One solution to overcome this problem is to use interactive and fun learning media, such as Monopoly games. Some previous studies, such as those conducted by Haninda and Paksi, show that use of game-based learning media can significantly increase student participation. Next is method. This research was conducted at SDN Condong Catur and was conducted in class 5, which consisted of 19 students, 6 boys and 13 girls. This research is a classroom action research by adopting the Chemist and McTaggart model, which includes planning, action, observation, and reflection. This research was conducted in 2 cycles. The data collection technique quiz used were interviews, observation, and documentation. Next is result and discussion. From table 1, the research show that the application of Pancasila Monopoly learning media significantly increased student active participation in learning Pancasila education. From the data obtained, it can be seen that student participation before the action or pre-action was in the low category with an average of 30-60%. However, after the application of Monopoly Media in Cycle 1, the average student participation increased to 71%, and in Cycle 2 it increased again to 85%. This increase shows that Monopoly Media not only makes learning more fun but also effective in increasing student participation. The last in conclusion. The conclusion of this research is that the use of Pancasila Monopoly learning media significantly increased students' active participation in learning Pancasila education. The data obtained show that student participation before the action or pre-action was in the low category with an average of 38%. However, after the application of Monopoly Media in Cycle 1, the average student participation increased to 71%, and in Cycle 2 it increased again to 80%. This increase shows that Monopoly Media not only makes learning more fun, but also effective in increasing student participation during learning. That's all for my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.